Hi everyone! Welcome back to Bonus Kitchen. Today we will make custard mamon. Custard mamon is a Filipino mini chiffon cake with creamy custard or leche flan on top. Are you ready? Let's get baking! For the caramel, we will need 2 cups of white sugar and half cup of water. For the leche flan, we will need 6 egg yolks, 1 can of condensed milk, 3/4 cup of fresh milk or evap milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For the cake, we will need 1 1/8 cup of cake flour, half cup of white sugar, 4 egg yolks, 1/3 cup of fresh milk, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. For the meringue, we will need half cup of white sugar, 4 egg yolks, and half teaspoon of cream of tartar. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. To start, combine the white sugar and water. Stir them together and microwave it for 7 minutes or until the desired caramel color is achieved. If you don't have microwave, you can also cook this in a pan over medium heat until the color is achieved. Now, pour the caramel into the mamon mold. Be careful, by the way, because it might be very hot. After pouring the caramel, set this aside. In a bowl, add the milk, egg yolks, condensed milk, and vanilla extract. Mix them together until well combined. After mixing, sift the mixture and pour it on top of the caramel. Set this aside. In another bowl, add in the egg yolks, sugar, give it a whisk until it becomes pale yellow, add in the vegetable oil, fresh milk, and vanilla extract. Mix them together until well combined. Then, sift the flour, baking powder, and salt. And continue mixing until it becomes smooth and well incorporated. In another bowl, add in the egg whites, and using a hand mixer, beat it until it becomes frothy. And once frothy, add in the cream of tartar and continue beating until soft peaks are formed. Then, Gradually add the white sugar and continue beating until stiff peaks are formed. Now, add a bit of the cake mixture into the meringue and pull them together. Then, pour the remaining mixture and continue folding until they're well combined. Using an ice cream scoop, pour the mixture gently into each mold, filling it about 3/4 full. Top it to release some air bubbles. Pour hot water into the pan. And bake this in a preheated oven of 160 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. After baking, let it cool for a few minutes before unmolding them. And here's our finished product! Custard Mamon are soft and topped with creamy leche flan and perfect for merienda or afternoon snack. I hope you'll give this a try. Please don't forget to hit the like and smash the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!